So we're at the Dodge dealership today, trying to find us a car. We're thinking about getting another car right now, and this our rental right here. Yeah, like I said, we're at the Dodge dealership. Hopefully we can pull off the lot with something. Not sure right now, but look at these two.
I'm getting a new car. That's all you say. Is we going out there?
He finna pull the car in the front.
Okay.
So yeah, like I was telling y'all, hopefully we pull off the lot with something new. Really want the Charger. Big on the Charger right now. We was walking back because he was going in already.
Huh?
He was already going in. Going to get the keys. It's hot out here. We should have stayed in.
Oh.
Look at these Chargers, man.
Where we was going?
To get the key. He finna get the key and pull it to the front.
Oh, I want Chick-fil-A.
See, I'm focused on the car right now. We talking about Chick-fil-A and people hungry, like.
You hungry? We hungry.
So we could probably pull off the lot in a PT Cruiser. They wouldn't even care as long as we eat. We'll keep you guys updated how today goes.
Oh, we went to see our apartment.
Oh yeah, we seen our apartment today too. Super excited. We move in next week on the 13th, 14th. So you guys, this is the one we're looking at. He's just following me. This one we're looking at right here. The green one.
So this one is gonna have your remote start, right?
Southern, Scott Southern, you are needed to self-test, please. Scott Southern, self-test.
It's gonna be a keyless.
So we already got a Charger, but this is a newer one, man. This bad baby is nice. You like this car? You want to get this one?
Yeah.
Yeah? You like the color?
Yeah. I like green.
You like green?
Yeah.
Yeah, Daddy like green too. It's different, man. It's nice. It's nice. We're about to take it on a test drive. We'll get back with y'all in a minute after we test drive it.
Chris just went to go test drive the car while I stay in with the kids. I hope you like it. What? What, baby? Did you like the new car? Did we go see our new house today? Yes. Did you like the new house? Yeah? Yeah?
But what's that's all.
Yeah, we're waiting for Daddy to come back. That's Gigi car.
So guys, we just did the test drive. Wonderful, wonderful car.
Now it's got the wheel locks. It's already put it in.
Tinted.
Then it's got another system here, which is the tracking system. This device right here is going to be your tracking system. It's going to be flashing. No, that means that if somebody comes and tries to break in or steal the car, it's going to alert you. You're gonna use your phone, and you're gonna set it up, and it's gonna alert you about.
Oh, so it'll alert you?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
And then if you wanna, let's say someone took the vehicle with the tow truck, right? You can look it up. You can see what the vehicle is.
Oh.
It's a neat system. Let's say somebody else is driving the car and you wanna see what the car is, you can see it.
Okay. So guys, we took the car for a test drive. Love the car. Got some power to it. So, about to go in here and see how everything goes. Wish us luck. I don't know where my family went, but they disappeared somewhere. I don't know where to.
This is nice. Chris gonna have to get our old Charger. This is gonna be my car now. This is nice. Oh, I like this. I could just see me now. With all my kids in here.
Already put on it, that will take care of that. And so for any reason that happens, we can take it off for you. Our company will take it off for you, okay? Interior and exterior, as long as you know you don't rape or whatever.
So guys, we are still here. We've been here about an hour and a half, starving. Only reason we here is because I'm being cheap. Shit. I'm being cheap, and I don't want to put too much money down. I'm not worried about the payments. I just don't want. That's just me. It's just something I got to get out of. She telling me to pay for it, but what?
I don't want to put that.
Excuse me?
I don't want to put that.
Somebody gonna be hungry all day and not getting their nails and stuff done. But yeah, I hate spending money, bro. Like,
Give me the card.
hell no. But I mean, we're gonna see how it goes. They still trying to figure some stuff out. They don't want your boy to come out on top, but I'm gonna come out on top. So we'll keep you guys informed. Now, if you see me in some different clothes, that mean they send me home. But I'll be back. I'll be back.
Awkward. No, y'all can stop now.
No, seriously, thank you.
Y'all can stop.
Really.
We finna drive off the lights. Wait, baby. You see that new car? Look at that new car.
So, man, we got it done. So, man, we got it done. We got it done. We got it done. Super excited.
Come on, Jose.
That's us. That's it. That's it right there. Mm-hmm. What? Yeah, we about to.
Nose is dirty. Come on.
Okay, and this is the, okay, so you got your keys. To remote start the vehicle twice. If you're not ready to go once, leave your AC on, hit it off whenever weather is. And then, but you still got to push the stop button to activate the vehicle. So you got your keys. Inside the key there is another little thing here.
Like I was saying, we're in business, man. Blessed, man. Blessed and humble. That's our new baby. Like I told you, I'm cheap. I'm surprised I got it. I'm super cheap. Come here. Get out the way. We about to leave. Wait. But yeah, man.
Eating Chick-fil-A.
Have you?
Here we come, baby. Y'all, we got a freaking 2019 and a 2013, but don't laugh at the 2013. I mean, who can laugh at the 2013 though? Like, why would somebody laugh at that? You know? But we got 2 cars, one for the family and one for Chris by himself, cause he swear he wanna leave us so bad.
I didn't say that, but
Look,
I do need my own car.
what's under my face right here? What is it?
A booger. Don't show them inside of there, cause you never know what's inside of there.
Be quiet.
What the heck, bro? That's crazy.
We really went inside the car dealership just to look. Well, we wanted a new car, but we just really went to look. But we saw this car, the car that we got. We was like, we gotta get it. We gotta get it. My hair look cute. Should I dye it? Oh,
My first fry wasn't too good. We're gonna see how this goes.
I'm just ready to eat. So we're gonna go back to your mama's house.
Yeah, we can. Matter of fact.
Boy, go.